first important theorem, that is the one of the net flow of a cut, that will link the net flow of the cut and the value of the flow. So you start from the value of a flow and a valid flow in your graph, and you define a cut, an ST cut, any valid ST cut. The theorem states that the flow, the value of the flow, is equal to the net flow of the cut ST, and that should be true for any ST cut that is valid. So the value of the flow, by definition, is that one. You take the sum of the flow going out of the source node, and we will additionally add this, which is equal to 0 by flow conservation in U. So you take every node U in S except the source node, and you take the sum of the flow, okay, from U to every other node. Okay, so this value can be positive or negative. Okay, and so, but overall, because of the flow conservation, it will be equal to 0. So if you just add this, it doesn't change anything to this equality. But then we will factorize this sum here, the value over V. Okay, so if you factorize this value over V, you make the transformation, and you can write it like this. So this will go inside the sum. Okay, to just swap these two sum, and so you have this one internal here, and so that's the new equation that you have. And so here you've got the value going of the flow out from S to V. Okay, and this is the one for every node except S. Okay, so you can simplify this to integrate also the value S. Okay, and this is what you do here. Okay, so you can write it like this. And so V here is equal to all the nodes in your graph, right? It's the union of S and T. Okay, you know that V is equal to the union of S and T, and this is simply S. So you can split, so this is what we will do here. We will split the writing here. We will split it between S and T, since V is equal to the union of S and T. Okay, and this is what we do here. Okay, so we will write it like that. Again, we do a small transformation here. Okay, so this one remains untouched, but here we've got the sum over S and S. Okay, that's the sum over S and S. V belongs to S and U belongs to S, and so it means that if you have V U, you will add it once in that direction and once in that direction. Instead of doing the sum over the two, we will say that V is an index node that is less than U, and we will add manually here the flow in the opposite direction. We can do that. And this is 0, of course, because by convention on the flow, the amount of flow in one direction is equal to the flow in the opposite. We have the opposite in the other direction, right? Because Fu Vu is equal to this is equal to minus the flow UV. Okay, so this is 0, right? And so at the end we've got this. Okay, and this is equal to the definition that we have of the net flow on a cut. And so this is what we wanted to prove. The value of F is equal to the value of the flow on the cut, to the net flow value of the cut.